Okay, guys, welcome back to the podcast. So for today's podcast, I am going to tell you guys how you can go viral on social media and David Dobrik's keys to success. So let's get right into it. Roll the music. All right, guys, welcome back to the podcast. So today's podcast, this is my second time recording it. I recorded it before. I was editing it, and then I was trying to trim up some stuff, and then boom, it just deleted my whole thing. So that one was 20 minutes. I'm going to probably save you guys some time. I was trying to trim it down, make it like 10-ish minutes. So yeah, so here I am. Take number 2. I used to do podcasts back in the day, but I just recorded myself, and I didn't really get a voice memo. I found out, I learned that you don't need to just have your face in the shot to get people to listen to you. So today, you guys are going to be listening to me through your phones, your speakers, your car speakers, your headphones, whatever. So today, I'm going to tell you guys some tips and tricks on how you can go viral. But before we do that, I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas, a Happy New Year. It is currently a winter wonderland outside right now. I'm looking outside my window, and there is just snow everywhere. It's beautiful snow. It looks like stuff you would see in a movie. But you probably don't care about that, so let's get right into it. Okay, so there are a lot of tips and tricks on going viral and getting some followers. So, for example, I started a second page, October of 2020, and it was at 10K for the longest time, then I gave up. And I just started it back up this week, right? This week. As of right now, it is at 25.7K followers. So I've gotten 15K followers just this week on my another account, and I do separate stuff, not the same videos. People usually post the same videos on every single social media account they have, which kind of really annoys me, but people can do what they want. Okay, so anyways, today I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks. So tip number 1, trick number 1, whatever you want to say, is consistency. Consistency is the key to success. Gary Vee even says this, by the way. So, it doesn't matter if you post 10 videos a week, 10 videos in 2 weeks, 1 video a day. It doesn't matter. You have to stick to your grind. Because even though, for example, I've had videos that I've done terrible, so bad, crap. Crap to me is 10K views. So 3 million followers, 10K views is not even 1%. So if I have a video still do bad, you have to just keep looking at the positive and keep moving forward, because you never know. Like I said in my other video that obviously got cut, but I was saying overnight you can just become viral and you can build your career overnight. All it takes is one video. I know some people who've got, literally, I have a friend, he is at 956K now. I was friends with him, and he was at 30 or 60K. And this was just over the summer. So less than 6 months, he's gone to almost 1 million followers, which is huge for him. That's awesome. What else? I have a lot of friends, actually. I have another friend. He does cooking. He's at 1.4, I think. And I use a lot of stuff that he does because he does consistency, and he does the same time every day. So he posts at 3 p.m. Eastern time every single day, and I found my good posting time, and my good posting time is 8:30 p.m. every single day. No matter the views are doing good, the views are doing bad. Some people, I've seen some people, they get a 1 million view video and they just quit. They don't post for a week. No, that is not what you do. So look at it as this. So if you have a video going viral, people will come back and look at your page. So then if you post a video, as that video is going viral, they will see the new video. If I have a video that gets 1 million views in 24 hours, if I post another video as soon as that one gets 1 million, in the next 24 hours, that video will at least get 100,000 views. 10% just from that other video, not my other followers, new followers coming in. So there's that one. Let's see. Another tip is hashtags. Hashtags, you have to hashtag what you are doing in your videos. So, for example, if I was unboxing a new pair of Yeezys, you have to hashtag unboxing Yeezys, Yeezy 350 Boost, honest review and stuff. Because if people like coffee and they hashtag coffee and they see you hashtag coffee on the unboxing, that does not make sense, and they wouldn't get you to follow them. So, for example, the other day, what David Dobrik is doing, and is what's trending right now, is he did a McFlurry life hack where basically you just put the McFlurry on top of your McDonald's drink, and it just fits in there like a glove. And that's really weird. I didn't know that was a thing until he did it, but that was cool. So basically what David Dobrik does, it's really smart what he does. So you all know David from Vine and YouTube, and he hasn't done anything on YouTube because of COVID, which is totally understandable. And he films videos for his Instagram stories. He takes the same videos and posts them on his Snapchat stories and TikTok. So basically, he has a 1-minute video a day, and he probably gets over 10 million views a day combined on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, every single social media. So what he's doing is great, but you have to get a following up. So for example, if you put yourself in my shoes for a second, I'm at 3 million followers. Now, I have a goal to where I want to hit a certain amount of money I gain a month, because obviously social media is my job now. I'm a content creator, so I gotta set goals. So if I have 3 different brand deals, right? So let's say a brand deal calls me up, ding ding ding, hey Brad, we're canceling contract. Wait, what? Why? We just don't have the budget anymore and we can't do it. Okay, yeah, that's fine, I understand it. So you have to set your goal for amount you want a month. But do not focus on getting brand deals until you got 500,000. I didn't get my first one until I was at 500,000. So don't be like, oh, I have 30K followers. Okay, let me get a brand deal. Okay, you could get a brand deal, but the other day I can call this company out because they kind of screwed me over. They tried to. I have 3 million followers, right? I had this company called the Cold Water. They wanted to offer me $280 for 10 videos. That's like $28 a video for 3 million followers. So let's say you had 50K, they'd probably give you $2 a video. Man, I was so mad that they even offered me. I thought it was a joke. I literally thought I was getting pranked. I don't know why they did that in the first place. I just, whatever. Just made me mad. So there's that. And then another good tip is always make your videos interesting. Have people like on the end of your seat. Like on the end of their seat. Like, you know how when you're watching old David Dobrik's videos, all Logan Paul's videos, and all of them, they always build up to the momentum. Like, sorry, yawning. So mr.beast, he's a good example. I really look up to him. He does like challenges. Like, he gave away a car, but he gave away, you have something good in the beginning. You have a beginning, a middle, and end. So he gave away, let's say he gave away a penny in the beginning. The middle, he gave away 2 pennies. And in the end, he gave away 10 pennies. So, and then triple the better than it was in the beginning. So that's a good thing. And then another thing you could do is, I do this a lot actually, is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4s on your videos so people will come back and watch the videos. One thing that I've done before is when TikTok has sent me... Whoa. So one thing I've done before is... Okay, what is happening? Let me fix that. Okay, so one thing I've... Hold up, let me fix this here. Sorry about that. Okay, so one thing I've done before is TikTok has sent me a box in the mail, right? So when TikTok sent me the box in the mail, I made it into a little series. So I made it a part 1, a part 2, a part 3, and a part 4. So basically what I did is I printed out some papers, I printed out some riddles, and the riddle was blah, 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 something in the mailbox. So then I checked the mailbox, right? And the mailbox was more coordinates to something else. And my part 1, part 2, part 3, all of them parts, they were all 59 seconds. It wasn't, oh, I got this, come back tomorrow and see what it is. No, you want to have people engaged and doing the videos for you, basically. They'll share the videos, like, they'll be like, so, did you see what so-and-so got in the mailbox from TikTok? They got a brand new iPhone. Oh, no way, that's cool. Let me watch how he got it. Boom, just like that. Another good thing is engagement is, like, for example, let's say you're a big David Dobrik fan, Danny Duncan fan, mr.beast fan like me. If you come to one of their videos and you see them comment back or respond to you or like your comment, you would freak out. I remember one time I freaked out when David Dobrik popped into my live stream just for a couple minutes and talked to me for a little bit. I was like not even 1 million yet, and that was like, I still look up to that today. I screen recorded it, and that was crazy. So yeah, he's like, I'm honored, like, you know what I mean? Like, you have to treat people, like, don't, like, treat people, how do I say this? Treat people like you are your friend. Like, ask them how they're doing. Ask them what they did today, respond to the comments, and crazy stuff like that. Here is a clip of that video. Let's see if it'll load.
David Dobrik. That's David!
That was 79 weeks ago. Here's another one. He said Dancing Queen.
Dude, I saw you at VidCon. Look. Look. Bro, David. I don't know why you have this on. Look. We're about to do a video. Look. David is in my life.
He said Dancing Queen.
David Dobrik.
Oh my gosh, guys. That was crazy. I was freaking out. David's crazy. Much love, David. So yeah, David inspired me really to be where I'm at today. He's inspired me. Yeah, Dennis has inspired me. David, yeah, a lot of people have inspired me because people always think, oh no, social media is hard. No, it's yeah, it's hard, but it's not. People think, oh, since YouTube's there, it's over now. No, TikTok just came out. TikTok is still the #1 growing app. You can do whatever you want on TikTok. Find out what fits you. Find out what you like. And then do it. People will come. People like everything. People like makeup. People like Hot Wheels. People like jumping jack videos. People like life hacks. Find out what helps you. So, I hope you guys like this video. I didn't want to spend too much of your time. Like I said, this was my second time, so I think I'm repeating myself. But it's okay. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below. If you learned something new, make sure you like this video, subscribe for good luck. And yeah, make sure to follow all my socials at brad.smith. I love you all. I will see you soon. I'm going to have some special guests coming up soon. So I got at least 5 guests planned out for the next couple of weeks. I'm very excited for that. But I will not do any other videos until this video gets 200 views. So I love you all. I'll see you soon. Peace out.